Thanks for stopping by Rasa Health today. I feel like we're just going to have a few minutes to just kind of chat with each other because if I were looking for a, a health coach, if I were looking for a doctor, I would like to go to a place that really looks at me as more than my biochemistry and more than my symptoms and is going to spend more than 6 minutes with me on a visit. So I really designed my practice to be everything that I would hope to find for myself. At the age of 25, when my mom passed away, pretty far too young, I realized then that Western medicine, with all of its brilliant tools and science, it has its limitations because nobody really could understand why my mom was as sick as she was, and nobody really had any real solutions other than medications. And I decided, really at the age of 25, that I was going to explore as many models of health. And so I began to look at traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic, and it's been an incredible journey. I've been doing this now for 25 years, and my approach now is a model that we call the 5 levels of health and healing. What I love about this approach is it looks beyond just the biochemistry. It looks beyond just your symptoms. It really asks the question, why is my digestion? Why do I have bloating? Why do I have constipation? Why can't I sleep at night? Why don't I have as much energy as I'd like to have? So many of my patients, they're becoming grandparents, and now they just want to get on the floor and play with their grandchildren, and they want to be able to keep up with them. And many of them just have this idea of, I just want to dance at my granddaughter's wedding, and I want to be able to do it feeling wonderful. So it requires a look beyond the physical body. We look at the energy body. The energy body is basically when you think about the heart, right? Or even our brain, we are energetic beings. There's the mental body, there's the informational body, and consciousness. And it just helps us organize how we approach especially when a patient comes to us with a complexity of symptoms and lab work, and even after they've been to the doctor and they go, well, your lab work is normal. And the patient says, well, if my lab work is so normal, why do I feel so bad? I love helping people get well. I love coaching people and taking the time to look at their family history because, you know what, every patient is different. I don't care if it's Lyme disease or mold or diabetes or heart disease. Your story and your epigenetics is very different from my last patient. I have a very boutique practice. Typically, I only see 2 patients a day. Yes, I do some of the basic stuff. I love my chiropractic. I love my cranial sacral work. But when a new patient comes to me, a typical visit lasts 2 to 3 hours. So if you're looking for a place that you can develop a relationship, that you're going to look beyond symptoms and actually look at cause and cure, if you're looking at a place where you can feel validated and heard, then I'm your doctor. And I hope you'll take the time and right now, stop this video and go to the phone and set up a 15-minute free complimentary call. And we'll know within 15 minutes, is this the place for you to get started today? Thanks for stopping by.